Hello.
Hey, I hope you're having a great day. Actually, my assistant Maya has been texting you about your property. Can we talk about it right now?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, thank you. So can I have some information about this property?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Can you please tell me a bit about the overall condition of the property?
Well, the property is in the great condition. It has everything new. We did all the new electrical. All the cables are new all around the house. All the plumbing is new. We did all the plumbing. We took the old plumbing, put new one. We did everything. Everything's brand new in the house. The roof, we did new roof, new shingles, new siding. So basically everything it's new in there.
Okay. So can I ask, is there anyone living in the property right now, or is it vacant, or is it rented?
No, it's vacant. No one's in there. It's been vacant since we upgrade everything. It's been vacant. We haven't rented to anybody.
Okay, so you are the sole owner of this property?
Yes.
Great. So can I ask your asking price, any number in your mind that you consider for this property?
I'm asking 190 right now.
And is this price negotiable?
I already lowered it once. I had it on 220, and I lowered it to 190. So that would
Fair
be
enough.
the best price. Yeah.
Understood. I totally understood that. And is there any mortgage on the property that we have to cover after buying the property?
That you have to what? I'm sorry.
Do you have any mortgage on this property?
No.
Okay, great. That's amazing. If you don't mind me asking, why would you consider selling this property? I mean, do you have any specific motivation behind selling this property?
No, it's just that we purchased the property, it was fixed and everything. We have houses for rent here in town, but that one's like about an hour away from us. So we don't want to rent it or anything because we don't want to be going over there every time something happens. Like right here, our property's here. If they need anything, well, we're here in town. And the properties that we purchase out of town, we just put them for sale.
Okay, understood. This is fair enough. So if my buying specialist gives you the best offer from our side, how soon would you be able to sell this property to us?
As soon as you guys are okay with it,
Yep. So I think I have got all the information. So can I have your email address? Thank you for this. So I think I have all the information. I appreciate your time, and my buying specialist will call you back soon with a solid offer. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, thank you for the information. Have a great day. Bye-bye.